When homeowners in Clinton Township think about improving comfort and reducing energy bills, windows are often one of the first upgrades that come to mind. Among the many window styles available, slider windows stand out as an excellent option for boosting energy efficiency without sacrificing style or convenience. Their streamlined design, improved insulation capabilities, and modern construction features make them an ideal choice for Michigan's blend of hot summers, cold winters, and everything in between. Better insulation for year-round comfort. Slider windows are built with a simple, horizontal operation that minimizes the number of moving parts. Unlike crank-style windows or older models with multiple seals, slider windows usually feature fewer gaps where air can leak. This design helps prevent drafts during Clinton Township's chilly winters, keeping heated air inside your home where it belongs. In the summer, the same insulation prevents warm outdoor air from slipping in, helping keep cooling costs in check. Many modern slider windows also come equipped with double pane or even triple pane insulated glass. These insulated layers trap air, or an inert gas like argon, between panes, which slows heat transfer. That means a more stable indoor temperature, less strain on your HVAC system, and more consistent comfort throughout the year. Modern glazing that reduces energy loss. Energy-efficient glazing options have improved dramatically over the years, and slider windows today come with advanced coatings designed to reflect heat. Low emissivity, low E, glass is one of the most popular upgrades for Clinton Township homeowners. This virtually invisible coating helps keep heat inside your home during the winter while reflecting the sun's warmth away during the summer. This dual performance makes low-E slider windows one of the smartest investments homeowners can make when trying to reduce seasonal energy waste. Combined with insulated frames, often vinyl or fiberglass, these windows help ensure minimal heat loss, even in the most temperature-sensitive rooms of the house. If you have older, single-pane windows now, switching to energy-efficient slider windows can make an immediate and noticeable difference in indoor comfort. Easy operation that prevents wear and tear. A big part of maintaining energy efficiency is ensuring windows open and close properly. Slider windows operate on a horizontal track, allowing them to glide smoothly open and shut. Because they don't require cranks, springs, or complex mechanisms, they are less likely to develop gaps that let air escape. Homeowners in Clinton Township appreciate the long-term durability of slider windows, not just for convenience, but also because fewer mechanical problems mean fewer opportunities for energy leakage. Additionally, slider windows are easy to clean and maintain. Simple upkeep means homeowners are more likely to keep seals, frames, and tracks in good condition, which supports ongoing energy efficiency. More natural light with less heat transfer. Another overlooked energy efficiency advantage of slider windows is their ability to bring in abundant natural light. Their wide glass surface area brightens up rooms throughout the day, reducing your reliance on artificial lighting. Unlike older window designs, modern slider windows allow homeowners to enjoy sunlight without the associated heat spikes. This is especially valuable during Michigan's colder months, when the sun's natural warmth can provide a comfortable boost indoors. With the right glass and frame material, slider windows strike the ideal balance between natural light and thermal insulation. Lower utility bills and long-term savings for many homeowners in Clinton Township. The biggest benefit of installing slider windows is the potential for long-term energy savings. By reducing heat loss, preventing drafts, and limiting excessive heat gain, slider windows help stabilize indoor temperatures. This takes pressure off your heating and cooling system, which can significantly reduce monthly energy costs. When combined with potential incentives, increased home value, and long-lasting performance, slider windows offer a cost-effective upgrade that pays off year after year.